For the unit. I know it's going to sound dumb, but a lot of people watching this have never worked in contracting before, have never actually been on a roof, so they won't have any idea what we're talking about when we're downstairs.
Ah, okay.
This will make perfect sense.
Okay. All right, great. Coming up from the roof hatch to the top of the building. Now this is our package unit that services this building. It's good to keep the drain lines clean around the drain so everything can drain properly, because if water starts sitting on this roof, we're going to have a problem. And if it don't drain correctly, the water will go inside the building. Then we're still going to have a bigger problem. So this unit is fairly simple. They say this Prodigy board is going to tell you if something's wrong. It'll tell you on the dash, it'll display it on the keypad. It'll let you know what's wrong. So really is the troubleshooting, they made it a lot simpler. So it'll let you know if the smoke detector is going on. It'll let you know. So that's the good thing about this one. So
was that the courtesy plug in there? The service?
Yes. Right here. You can get 120 volts from there, so you can get work done. Outside, we got our disconnect. This shuts the unit off. So if we're having a problem or anything, we need to service it, cut your unit off first. That is the first thing you do. So because we don't, it'll be kind of hard to get you down from here. So if anything ever happens, because the fire department will have to get a big ladder up here. So we don't want that. You have your lower section, your filter section. Filter's pretty easy to get to, so but make sure we cut the unit off before we change the filters. Alright, so that's the main thing. So four. Yeah.
So you turn it off right here, right?
Correct.
This bottom, then take it off there. Same bottom, turn it off.
It'll go through a it'll go through a cycle, a test cycle. It'll take it about 5 minutes to come on. So don't worry, it will not come straight on, because it is going to go through a check cycle. It's going to check everything. It's going to check all the safeties. It'll make sure everything's okay, then it comes on. So like I say, it takes about 5 minutes before it comes on. So some people expect it to come on right away, but it's not going to come on right away. Alright, I say make sure your drain line stays clear. And basically it'll take care of, this unit will take care of itself. Sometimes if the roof is dirty, your coil's going to start getting clogged up, right? And we want our coils to stay clean, because in the summertime it's sucking in air to cool off the refrigerant, and it blows up. So if we start clogging this up, it's not going to cool that refrigerant off. And then that's going to have problems. People are going to complain it's too warm downstairs, or it's stuffy filling upstairs, because it's not removing all the humidity. So that's why we need to always keep our coils clean. So if you see paper and stuff going around and it sucks up on here, you start having a problem. The gas line. They did this for a reason, so people won't come in and shut the gas off. So, but if you look at it, it's running along the gas. So if you come up like some people that come up there bump the gas line, don't even recognize that they done cut it off. So that's why they never did put that back on there. So, but if you have a problem with it, the first thing that's going to happen, you're not going to get any heat. So if somebody's telling you that it's just too cold in this building, first thing, check our gas line. Let's see if we have any gas on. If the gas is on, the unit is not running, then that prodigy board is going to tell you some type of safety is off. Either the rollout switch or something to do with the heat. Something is wrong. And then normally we'll get that call and take care of it. That's about it.
The exhaust fan.
We have 2 bathroom exhaust fans. They're going to constantly run. They are belt driven. So if one of the things you're probably going to end up doing once a year is changing these belts, whether they need it or not. Because the last thing you want to do is get on a call 2, 3 o'clock in the morning and change that belt. We have our safety switch that will cut this unit off so we can work on it. So,
well, this one is up.
yeah, so we definitely have to change. See, that's why we change those once a year, because they run 24 hours a day. So we definitely have to change it.
Are going to be covered under a warranty since we're within less than a year? It's 90 days.
Yeah, we're gonna have to call Barty on that one.
I'll call Danny on that.
Okay, so to change, you have to move this somewhere.
Yeah, well
You have to move the.
you got your adjustment screws.
Yeah.
These two on this side and 2 exactly.
Yeah, and then move back and then back off.
Exactly. There. And probably about every 3 to 5 years, have some oil spillage. That's all it takes is a little squirt. I'm talking about very little. You don't want to see it gushing out. You never want to see oil, because if you see oil gushing out, that seal is broken. You have broken that seal. So that's what I mean. Every 3 to 5 years, and it really, after the first 5 years, you really don't want to touch it. Now, after that 5-year period, then about every 3 to 5 years after that, we'll just one little squirt of oil. That's it. No more. Because you never want to actually see oil. If you see oil coming out of it, you done busted that seal. And it's going to start wearing, and you're going to notice it wearing. And that's when you're going to see the wobble. Then you're going to have to replace the bearings.
Just to clarify, you're talking about a sealed bearing unit.
Yeah,
so go ahead and describe that sealed bearing unit a little bit more.
Correct. Now all of this housing right here, you get it all with one piece. And all that has your sealed bearing in it, right there. And now your shaft, and it's going to slide right into that shaft, and it has a Allen key right here, what you have to loosen it up with, and to take it out. So whenever you have to replace one, you're going to order a piece right here, that whole piece. All of it's going to come intact, and you will replace that whole piece.
Well, you will have to take this as well.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It's the same things.
Yeah, both of them will come.
Upper and lower bearing.
So this is nothing. There's nothing here, right?
No, that's the shaft. That's
Okay.
just the shaft. That's the whole shaft right there.
Okay.
And it's pretty. It's easy, I'll say, but it can be difficult. So.